How to activate NatWest Debit Card account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate your NatWest Debit Card account. Open up any web browser and head over to natwest.com. Once you're here, you want to click on the login option. Once you click on this, over here you can log in using your customer number. For that, you want to enter your customer number, which is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. Click on this link if you have forgotten your login details. You can also enter your card number instead. Go ahead and enter the 16-digit card number. Then you want to click on the continue option. Once you have been logged into your account, on the home screen, you want to select the Account Admin option. You will find this on the Online Banking menu. Now from there, you want to click on the Activate Debit Card option. Then enter the debit card information in the text boxes in order to finish off the activation. Before submitting your activation request, make sure that you have entered all the correct information. Once that is done, your debit card will be activated, and upon activation, you will receive the confirmation via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.